pocket shrinking Corvette 2019 or 18, one of those. Somebody want to see this. I guess it's pocket shrinking. I'm not 100% sure, but you can tell me in a little bit. See what's going on. This guy right there. Okay. Move all your fingers down so you can go ahead and manage all this stuff right here. There they are. Squeegee this not so hard so you can do this and have similar size fingers throughout the window. Huh? There you go, just like that. Okay. Okay. This guy over here. Get the water from there. No. Y me rangas, papi. Vamos a ver. Down here. Okay. Blow air underneath it. Walk this guy. Heat shrink all the area that you need to heat shrink. Don't just focus on the skinny thing, because you need all this area heat shrunk. Real estate. Use all this real estate. Same thing here. Same thing here. And as you see, the film is curled here. We're gonna go ahead and make sure it's in the right side. Yeah, we good. Okay. That number right there. I get some of that curled film out of the way. Good. Here. We're done. Okay. So do our. I'm not going to shave this window, but I'm going to do a micro. Is the way that I might work on it. Just ideas, you know, let's bounce ideas off each other. You let me know how you guys do it and all that good stuff. I'm just showing you a way, not the only way, but a way to do it. Okay, there. Move it this way so you don't feel that, you know, it's catching like there. You know, move it. Keep it straight here. Move it this way. There you go. Get water out here so it won't move. Go ahead and do this number right here. Almost as if you're shaving. And just continue your thing right here. And there you are, my friend. Go ahead and take this out. Can go ahead and do a little bit of this here. Very little. Out of the way. There you go. I'm going to go ahead and do an air peel. I'm not going to use my peel board because some people want to see some air peel. There's so many different types of installers. There's installers that want to do 99.9% quality install. For that, I do not touch the film. Air peel, you will touch the film. Maybe you'll get 99%, 99.1, something, right? But you do realize that if you touch the film, you're going to find some shit with your finger, unless you're Aquaman and live underwater, and you know, but you're not, you know, you're gonna, oh god, fucking compressive shit. Anyway, let me get this show on the road. You talk to my guys here. All the way. Alright. There you go. I'm not going to remove this. This is, you can remove it like that, but I'm just doing different steps that are harder so that people that don't like or don't want to remove this stuff, there's other ways to do it just the way that I showed you. There it is. Thank God that shit turned off. I'm gonna sell that piece of shit air compressor and buy me another one. Okay, here's our 99% install, because we are gonna touch the film, and I hate to do it, but just an illustration of doing it. All right, here you go. At least clean my hands. And when I touch it with my fingernail, so I really don't want to touch that deal. There you go. There you go. There you go. All right. Okay, let's go ahead and do this deal right there. Use plenty of slip so you can do this MacGyver, this maneuver that we're going to do right now. Okay, so one of these, very thin, but we're going to open this up, scoot the film on below, the whole shebang. And you're set. Now just go ahead and